Struggling with your dissertation? Whether you're pursuing a PhD, master's or bachelor's degree, we understand the challenges you face. From research to writing and everything in between, our expert team is dedicated to guiding you every step of the way. Let us help you achieve your academic goals and make your journey smoother and more successful. Our top dissertation writing services provide expert assistance in all subject areas: engineering, management, sciences, humanities, and more. We don't just write your dissertation, we offer complete support until your dissertation is approved. Our dedicated team ensures quality, accuracy, and success at every step. From initial research to final edits, we are with you, providing guidance, feedback, and expertise. Trust us to help you achieve your academic goals with confidence and excellence. Ready to get started on your academic journey? Whether you're just beginning or need that final push to complete your dissertation, we're here to help. Contact us now for professional dissertation writing services. Our team of experienced writers and mentors is dedicated to guiding you through every step of the process, ensuring your success. WhatsApp us at +923 1608 85479. Our support team is available around the clock to answer your queries and provide the assistance you need. Visit our website at cs619finalproject.com. Here you'll find detailed information about our services, client testimonials, and a blog filled with useful tips and resources. Or email us at projecthelp77@gmail.com. Our team is ready to respond to your inquiries and provide personalized support tailored to your needs. You can find all our contact details in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Your academic success is just a message away. Let us help you achieve your academic goals. With our expertise, you can focus on what matters most, your success. Don't wait. Reach out now and get the expert dissertation help you need.